Did you know that the world's smallest elephants, the pygmy elephants, are barely taller than the average human? These pocket-sized pachyderms are just 8 feet tall, the height of a basketball hoop, a stark contrast to the towering African and Indian elephants that can reach up to 13 feet, the height of a single-story building. But don't let their smaller stature fool you. These creatures are bona fide elephants, packed with as much charm and intelligence as their larger cousins. In the dense jungles of Borneo and Sumatra, imagine these miniaturized marvels navigating through a world of towering trees and thick undergrowth, their heads barely reaching the lower branches. Their diminutive size, which makes them easy targets for poaching, also equips them to thrive in these lush forests. As we compare these small wonders to the humans and other elephants, it becomes clear that pygmy elephants, despite their size, are a powerful symbol of nature's resilience and diversity. Yet these tiny titans face tough challenges. Classified as endangered, they are fighting for survival due to habitat loss and poaching. Their story, a blend of strength and vulnerability, is as captivating as their size and needs to be shared with the world. Borneo's lush, dense rainforests serve as the perfect backdrop for the lives of pygmy elephants. These miniature pachyderms, the smallest elephants in the world, roam freely, unhindered by the constraints of fences or boundaries. Among the oldest and most biodiverse environments, this place is a veritable wonderland of life. It's a place where the air is filled with the symphony of nature, where every leaf, every branch, every root teems with life. Amidst this dazzling array of flora and fauna, the pygmy elephants carved out their niche. These elephants are not just residents, they are an integral part of the ecosystem. As gardeners of the forest, they disperse seeds, contributing to the growth and proliferation of the vegetation. Their well-trodden paths create routes for other smaller creatures, facilitating their movement. But their idyllic existence is threatened. Their verdant paradise is systematically being replaced by barren wastelands. Deforestation driven by the insatiable demand for timber and palm oil is robbing them. The loss is not just a loss of shelter, but a disruption of their entire way of life. With fewer trees, there is less food and water, leading to malnutrition and dehydration. The destruction also leaves these elephants vulnerable to poachers, who prey on for their ivory tusks. The situation is dire, but not hopeless. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these elephants. These initiatives aim to curb deforestation and promote sustainable practices. Their lives are under threat, and with it their very existence. The battle for their survival is not just about saving a species, but preserving a way of life, a world that is as rich and diverse as the one they inhabit. Or pygmy elephants may look like smaller versions of their African and Asian relatives, but they're unique in more ways than one. Indeed, these little giants are not just remarkable for their size, which is significantly smaller than their larger counterparts. There's more to them than meets the eye. Pygmy elephants, with their baby-faced innocence, are known for their unusually sociable and gentle nature. They are the friendly giants of the wild, often seen interacting in a playful manner with each other. Moreover, their physical attributes add to their distinctiveness. These elephants are blessed with longer tails that often brush the ground as they move. This not only adds to their charm, but also serves a purpose, helping them swat away annoying pests. These distinctive traits make pygmy elephants a unique and fascinating species, a true treasure of the animal kingdom. Their smaller stature, friendly demeanor, and longer tails set them apart, making them the unique little giants they are. The tale of the pygmy elephants is not just about their unique characteristics, but also their struggle for survival. These tiny giants are up against a number of formidable challenges that threaten their very existence. One of the most pressing of these threats is poaching. These gentle creatures are hunted for their tusks, a grim reality that further dwindles their population, but it doesn't stop there. Human conflict is another major challenge, with instances of human-elephant conflict often resulting in tragic outcomes for these small elephants. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and preserve these unique creatures. The future of these tiny giants hangs in the balance, and it's up to us to tip the scales towards survival. From their distinct traits to their struggle to exist, the pygmy elephants have left a profound impact. These unforgettable tiny giants embody beauty, diversity, and delicateness. The story of the pygmy elephants serves as a reminder of these elements. It's a narrative that deserves to be remembered and shared.